Built on the land that is near the sea lies this modern luxury home that is a perfect getaway for the lovely couple that lives here. With a hint of oriental elements, the harmonious combination of varying greys and brown shades casts this apartment in an opulent yet soothing ambiance. And contrasted beautifully against these moody shades are the warm lights that elevates the elegance of the design. Several walls were hacked to open up the home, making it spacious and uncluttered. At the entrance, what was once a narrow foyer was taken down to reveal a grand kitchen with an island space that embeds not only a hot pot induction cooker, but a recessed area for a wine chiller as well. The countertops were dressed up with quality Decton marble, which contributes to the luxe factor. Paired with the top-notch kitchen is an invisible door that leads to the service yard and a common bathroom. Next to the kitchen island, the dim lights and the scenic wallpaper complements the table set, creating a serene dining experience. Moving on to the living room, a black marbled feature wall and dim lights were proposed to recreate an entertainment lounge-like atmosphere. Adding a retractable leather couch amps up the cozy and cinematic environment during movie nights. In this modern luxury themed home, a work and workout section was included, with a private home gym and a study room correlated side by side. The window is slightly tinted to let in sufficient sunlight for the indoor plants, whilst creating a comfortable workout experience. Through the door, what was once a two-bedroom was conjoined to form a master suite with a sophisticated walk-in wardrobe that is separated by a thin wall. Hidden between the wardrobes, a mirrored door opens to reveal a lavish bathroom that is decorated with marble tiles. The homeowners were looking for a home where luxury meets comfort. From quality materials to fancy equipment, we are proud to say that this interior truly captures the essence of an all-in-one manor. So that is it for the video. If you like the concept of this home, let us know in the comment section down below. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. We'll be posting more projects soon. Until then, we'll see you the next time. Bye!